Are you ready to jumpstart your modeling career? Could you see yourself on the cover of a nationally published magazine or television show? Would you like to be featured at the 2010 Lights, Camera, Action, Hair and Fashion Show? Could you be crowned Carolina's Next Top Model? Enter the Carolina's Next Top Model competition. Top 3 winners will receive a professional photo shoot and cash. Only one winner will receive a video shoot, website, video magazine, $500 in cash, and honored with a video presentation at the 2010 Hair and Fashion Show.